Hey there! In this video, we're going to tackle a common problem that can occur when working with bash functions. The problem we're facing is related to setting and accessing variables within a function, specifically when piping the output of the function to another command. Now, let's dive into the solution. The key issue here is that when running a pipeline in bash, each part of the pipeline operates in its own subshell. This means that changes made to the subshell environment, such as setting a variable in a function, won't affect the shell's execution environment. To work around this limitation, one approach is to create a named pipe and use it to transfer data between processes. By setting up a receiver asynchronously and running the function as a writer without piping, we can ensure the variable is set and accessed correctly. Continuing with the solution, another way to handle this situation is by using process substitution in bash. By redirecting the output of the function to a process substitution command, we can ensure that the variable is properly set and maintained. In certain scenarios where you need multiple functions to affect the execution environment, you can't run them concurrently. Instead, you'll have to execute them sequentially to ensure proper variable handling. In summary, when working with bash functions and pipelines, it's essential to be mindful of how subshells and execution environments interact. By following the strategies outlined here, you can overcome the challenge of setting and accessing variables effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts. See you next time!